It's Canadian tax season, and have you guys created your CRA account? If not, then this video is for you people. Watch till the end and you will understand in a very simple way how do you create your CRA account for the first time. So let's quickly begin. You can go to your Chrome and type CRA login, and you need to click on the first icon, that is sign in to your CRA account. So when you click over here, the interface is very simple. The CRA, that is the Canada Revenue Agency, has given all the instructions in a very simple and easy way. So you can just go through it. So you can see here, this is sign into your CRA account. So people who have created already their account can use any of the following login credentials. But if you're creating your account for the first time, then you just need to click here, register for a CRA account. Now, let's move ahead and you can see here that it says start your registration. Before you click this, I would really ask you to read how the registration process works. So you've got some steps here. It says the first step, that is gather all your documents. So what you need to keep ready. You need to have your date of birth, you need to know your social insurance number, and it's very important that the amounts you have reported on your most recent tax return. So if you're filing for 2025, which means you need to know your 2024 details, which I'll be helping you out to understand. Next, you have to choose a registration option. So there are different ways, as I've already shown you before, that there are different ways to log into the CRA account. The first one is sign-in partner. The next one, CRA user ID and password, and the provincial partner. So most of us use this. We create a CRA user ID and a password. And then we have enroll in multi-factor authentication, that is MFA. So, to make your login credentials still more protected, we have all these factors which will help us to make our account more secure. And the last one is verify your identity. Now, this is very, very important. There are two processes to verify your identity. I would ask you to go with the first one, that is your document verification service, which helps you to create your CRA account immediately. Whereas you have the next one, that is CRA security code, where the CRA will be sending you an code to your mail, okay, and which takes at least 10 business days. So I would say not to go with that. You can go with your document verification service because it's going to help you to create the account immediately. So let's move ahead and click on the icon that is register now. So when you click on register now, again, you'll have all these things to be kept ready. Your date of birth, your SIN number, your last year tax return document, and your multi-factor authentication. Okay, and you'll have your documents, your ID proof. Yeah, you need to keep it. It can be a passport, it can be your driving license, or it can be a provincial ID. So as I said, we'll be going with CRA user ID and password. So when you click on this, it will take you to a new page where you will enter your social insurance number, you will enter your date of birth, and you'll be entering your tax information, that is line 15000. So from there, it is basically your income, what you've earned in the last year. So you need to enter over here. And when you proceed with next, you will have these security questions coming in. So you just need to remember what answers it give for those security questions. There'll be 5 security questions asked, and please remember those answers. It's very, very important. And once you proceed with that, your CRA ID. So you can create an user ID and you can create a password for it. And with that, your CRA account is ready to go. So I hope it's very clear, very simple. So you just need to go to CRA login, just go to register now, keep your SIN number, date of birth, and your last year tax documents ready with an ID proof. So with all these documents, you can create your CRA login account or your CRA account within few minutes. I hope you have understood. Thank you, and please do share with your friends.